Hello everyone, today I'm here with a new video. So today video is about the statistical operation such as mean absolute error, root mean square, relative bias, significance, and the correlation. So let's start with the data. I have a reference one and the other one is the CHIRPS data. This is the reference one and this is the satellite data. I have to find the correlation, significance between these both, and relative bias and other root mean square, relative mean absolute error. So first of all, let me show you the formulas. Here are the formulas. You can see the relative bias summation of station data. You can say this is let's say I can say this is reference. This is my reference data or the station data, and this is the grid. And in here my case, here is the satellite data. So what I'm gonna do is actually I will subtract these both station. This one is my station data and this is satellite. So here is that, and in the root mean square error you can also see here the grid is separated from the station. That means that this one the station or the reference minus satellite data. So first of all I have to create this a particular operation, station minus grid. So here you can see this station minus grid. So I have to apply this, and so for that purpose I have to type the equal to sign, and then I want to click on this, and then again click on the minus, and then I click on this. So then I have to enter. So now what I have to do is there are two ways or three ways, or I can do the same process like for the rest of the next row is equal to this one minus this one and then press enter. Okay, and the second thing is that I have to just select this both, and then I have to drag this down till where it goes, till the last number. Or this other option is just, you can see here is a different plus, and this and here you can see are different plus. So what I do is that I'll click on that and it will be do it till the last. And now I have to do here, next thing is that I have to take the square of this D column, so to make this operation. So let's do it. First of all, what I'm gonna do is just put my bracket, and sorry, it's equal to sign, put the brackets, and then click on this column row D2, and then close the bracket and put this one, and then square, and then enter. So here is my answer, and then I want to double click so that it can do till the last number. So here I get this both two operations. Now what actually I need here to get my root mean square and relative bias. For the relative bias I have to get the summation of this operation. So I have the operation. So first of all let me freeze this, so freeze the top. So I have, you can see this is this I have here is, let me squeeze this and show you the formula. Here you can compare. Here I have this station minus grid I have, but I need the summation, sum of all, and the other thing is summation of stations, and this is my station data, or I can say this is my reference data. So I have to do the sum. So what I'm gonna do here is put equal to sign, type sum, and you can see here the sum is, and just when I put the sum, and then I have to drag and drop that, and then what I have to do is enter. Or I can go to the formulas, click on the auto sum, and just enter the sum, and you can see it just select. There are there are the first step was that one, and this one the other step, and just I have to enter. And so here I have the reference summation, and here I need this one. I don't need it, or I can do this again. The other two formulas is equal to, put sum, double click on this, and then click this one, or you can just go to the top. You have to press shift, control, and down arrow. 1 minute, sorry. So here's the top one, shift, control, and down arrow, so it will select all the column, and you have to enter, and here you have the sum. So now here I need here this again all the formulas. I have to go to the formula auto sum, and I have to do the average sum. I need summation, so click on this, and I have here the summation of this column. So now what I get here, I got the summation of this operation. Here is the sum and summation of the station, and what I have to do to find out the relative multiply with the 100. So keep in mind that relative bias is in the percentage. So what I have to do is just, here is my relative bias, and with the formula I have to do equal to sign. First of all, this divided by the sum of references. So you can see here I have summation of this operation. So summation of this operation, I have here the sum, and summation of station. So here the station. So now I have to just put it there. So I don't need to type this. I just did the equal sign, put the equal sign, and then just click on the specific columns or the cells. You can say we say these cells, this box is called cell. So just I put them and then enter. Here I have the summation. Now what I have to do to get the actual relative bias is, so here I will get equal to sign, and then this one, click on this, and then I put this star and multiply, this means multiply by 100. So this is my relative bias. 6.9 is my relative bias. So I got the answer. So why I have to at the final, when they divided, I have to multiply with the 100. So I got the relative bias. So now what I am left with, so I can copy this and put in the relative bias. So I have to paste special. So in here I have to paste only the value, because I don't need formulas, comments, and this all thing. I just need to copy the values. Then I have to put okay. So I will get the only formula, only value. If I click on this and copy here and then paste, you will not get the original value. So you have to paste special. So for this correlation, it is simple. The most simple thing I have ever here is the correlation. You have to put it equal to sign, and you have to type correlation. So you can see here the correlation. So double click on this, and you have to select the rows. So again, click on the top, and then shift, control, down arrow. So here I don't need to add the sum. So again I put the press the shift and up arrow, and now then I have to add other array. So for that purpose, again I go to this shift, the cell data. Again I again press shift, control, and down arrow, and I don't need this sum value, so I can again shift and up arrow, and then click enter. I have the correlation, which is 0.76. So you have to keep in mind the correlation values are -1 to +1. The more you are near to the 1, that means your correlation is good. So here my correlation is good, better, perfect. And now then I have to go to find the root mean square and the mean absolute error. So let me see the formulas first. So here are the formulas. What I need actually is the summation of this operation. So here is the summation divided by n. N means how many values you have. So here I have 34 values. So what I'm gonna do is and then after that square root. So I have to do it here. First of all, put equal to this one divided by 34. Press enter. I got the value. Now I got the value of this one. This summation and divided by n is 146. So now I have to find the square root. So you have to put equal to sign and SQ means square root. Double click on that and then click on this cell and just enter. So what I have is here 12.08 is my root mean square. So now again I'm gonna go to a special and paste the values on this, click on the OK, and now mean absolute error. Go to the formula again. So what I have here is actually, you can see here, this is for to get the positive values, because when you subtract these, here are the negative values. So we put these for the it's actually, I forgot the what we says it, so sorry. So now what we're gonna do is just this operation. So for mean absolute, just I'm gonna put again equal to sign. So summation of this, and then what's actually the next is values. So divided by 34 values. So here my formula is ended. Summation of this operation summation and divided by n, the number of values. So I have the 34 number of value. So I got again mean absolute error. So when I click here, pass special values and then OK. So what I left with the p value. So now for the p value, it's a little bit technical. There is not a big science. So click on this, click Excel options, go to adds in, double click on the adds in, and then go, and you have to activate these both. So you can get a tool pack, or you can say an extension will be open. So you can see there will be an extension open here in the data analysis. So you in the data you can see the data analysis. So you have to just click on this, and then you have to go to regression. So double click on the or you can single click and then just click OK, and you have to give this a range. So you have to give the range, and so y value is mine, y value is this one. So I have to select this one, it's my y value, and the x value is my reference one. So then I have to give me my labels and output. So okay, this you can see here on this page. Here is my significance values. So the p value as here shown is very simple, you can see. So when you click on the OK, so we will have the a new sheet will be open, and here we have the significance values, You can see we have here the significance f and here the p-value, so both are the same. So this is the very small value, that means 0.00018, so it's very small. So you can say that this will the p-value, if the p-value is less than 0.05, then your value, 0.05, if the value, the p and the value is less than 0.05, then that means your data is significant. So this is significant to this one. So here you have the p-value. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope so it was helpful for you. Thank you.